Now, can you tell me what is excretion?
Removal of waste.
Yes, very good. Removal of waste from our body. That is called as excretion. But you know, there are different types of waste. One is gaseous waste. Can you tell me which is the waste which is gas, which has to be removed from our body?
Carbon dioxide, ma'am.
Very good. Carbon dioxide. You tell me, how is carbon dioxide excreted, or how is carbon dioxide removed from our body? How is carbon dioxide removed from our body?
Respiration.
Very good.
Respiration.
Yes, good. Carbon dioxide is removed during respiration. Carbon dioxide is a gaseous waste and it is removed during respiration. And the organ which removes it is lungs. Now there are other ways which is very toxic for our body. That is called nitrogenous waste. It is very harmful. Nitrogenous waste. So all the animals, they have some or the other nitrogenous waste. For fishes, it is ammonia. Ammonia is very toxic because it has nitrogen. And since it is very toxic, it requires a lot of water to be removed. Then if it is case of reptiles, in case of reptiles like lizard, then they have nitrogenous waste which is called as uric acid. Uric acid. And you can see in the lizards what waste goes out. You can see a white color substance inside their excreta. That white color is actually uric acid crystal. Now what about we human beings? Humans have nitrogenous waste which contains urea. So ammonia is very much toxic. Urea is not that much toxic, but still it is toxic only. Since they are toxic, it has to be removed from our body. To remove this toxic waste, and also there are other waste in our body like excess salt. Too much salt is not good for our body. Excess salt and excess water, extra water together has to be removed from our body. The organs of excretion in our body is called as kidney. It is called as kidney. So we have got two bean-shaped kidneys. Two kidneys we have, and it is placed in the abdomen. Abdomen means above the stomach area, and there is backside somewhat close to our vertebral column, that is backbone. That is where the kidney is present. Two kidneys are there for us. Then I told you when we were learning the heart, I told you when we were learning heart that the aorta comes up from the left ventricle and they will branch and they will supply blood to different parts of the body. So some of this blood also goes to the kidney. Some blood will go to the kidney. So this is the aorta. This is the aorta, and some of the branches of this aorta, as you can see what I'm drawing, this branch of aorta is called artery. Artery. It goes into each kidney. So this is the right kidney here, right one, and we also have left kidney here. This is the left kidney. Now, since this artery is going to the kidney, the artery will be named as renal artery. The name renal comes for kidney. Like for lungs means you will say pulmonary, no? Like that, if it is going to the kidney, then you have to call it as renal artery. So renal artery is actually a branch of the aorta. So first you have to draw aorta here. This is the aorta coming. This is aorta coming from the heart. It has oxygenated blood, but you know it has waste. It is having oxygen, blood and all, but nitrogen waste is present in that. That has to be removed. And after coming to the kidney, they will get branched to the right kidney and the left kidney. So this is the left kidney and this is the right kidney. And so the artery also will be named like that. This one will be called as right renal artery. And this one will be called as left renal artery. Left renal artery. Now what this artery contains? The artery, though it is having oxygen blood, it has urea, salt, extra water is present. So it has to be filtered by the kidney, and the blood which is free of nitrogen waste will come out. The blood which is free of nitrogen waste will come out to vein. So since this vein is coming out from the kidney, it is called renal vein, and this will be left renal vein. And similarly, renal vein comes out from right kidney. Sorry, this is left kidney. This is right kidney. Okay, this is right kidney. This is right kidney, right renal vein, and this is the left renal vein. This is the left renal vein. Now these veins will always join together. Small veins will join together to form. You have learned that they join together and they will go to the heart. So they will join together and they will form vena cava. That you have learned when you are learning the heart, no? That same vena cava will actually, they might be having carbon dioxide blood, but it will not have nitrogen waste because that the kidney removed. Then what about the filtered waste? The filtered waste will come out. The filtered waste will come out of the kidney in the form of urine. The urine is having, what all the urine will have? The urine will have nitrogen waste like urea, since you are human beings, excess water, salt. So all this will come out as urine from the kidney. And the tube which brings this urine, the tube which is bringing this urine, this tube is called ureter. This tube which brings out urine from the kidney is called ureter. And urine will come into a muscular bag. This muscular bag is called urinary bladder. It is made of smooth muscles. So it will also contract and relax. It is called urinary bladder. So as we drink water, the urine which is formed will start to get filled inside urinary bladder. And when the urinary bladder gets filled up, the opening of urinary bladder is present. No, that opening is called urethra. Opening is called urethra. This urinary bladder is under nerve control. It is having nerves inside. So when this urine gets filled inside urinary bladder, these nerves will send a message that we have to go to remove the urine. So the urine will pass out from the opening of urinary bladder, which is called urethra. So these are the parts of kidney. These are the parts of kidney. So anybody, can you tell me the different parts of kidney? What you just heard? Anybody?
Ma'am, nephron.
Nephron, I did not teach you. Now what all you heard that you just tell? What I taught you, na, that you just tell.
Right kidney, left kidney.
Yes, good. Right kidney, left kidney, good, Deepan. Next, what all I told, that also you remember, tell.
Right and
others.
left renal artery, miss.
Right renal artery, left renal artery.
Yes, right and left. Yes, renal vein, renal artery, very good.
Vena cava.
Yes, vena cava, good.
The blood or the nitrogen are come to the right renal cava, right renal vein.
Yes. Yes, good. So what?
Urethra.
Yes, urethra, very good. So these are the different parts of the excretory system in human beings. I'll just recollect. We have got 2 kidneys and it is present in the abdomen area. Abdomen means above your stomach, okay, that area, and on both sides of the vertebral column here. And first what happens is the blood containing nitrogenous waste comes through the aorta, which through the renal artery will enter into the both the kidneys. Then whatever nitrogenous waste and other waste is there, kidney will filter it, because kidney has inside it some tubes. That tubes are called as nephron. That I will teach you next class only. About how nephron is filtering, that we will learn next class. So there are so many tubes inside this, which is called as nephron. They will filter the nitrogenous waste, and the filtered blood, which is free of nitrogenous waste, that blood will come out. They will come out through renal vein. They will come out of the kidney through renal vein. They will join together to form vena cava. And you know, vena cava always goes to the heart. Then what about the waste? The waste will mix with the water and all, because excess water is also waste, no? So the urea, excess water, then salt will come out through the tubes. They will come out through these tubes, which these two tubes are called as ureter. And after the urine comes out through ureter, they will get temporarily stored. They will get stored in this muscular bag, which is called as urinary bladder. And it is under nervous control. Nerve is there. So once it gets fully filled, you will feel like going to toilet. So that time urine passes out through the opening of the urinary bladder, which is called as urethra. So these things you have to remember. Ureter means 2 tubes that comes out of kidneys. Urinary bladder means it is muscular bag that stores the urine. Urethra means opening of urinary bladder, which helps to pass out the urine. Okay, is it